This is an inflorescence, and these are the little buttons on it which drop off very easily at certain times. Water is essential and is a topic by itself. But here in this case, we presume water is adequate given in the right way. Nutrition. Nutrition is the basic reason for good performance and productivity. Now, how do we get good performances? The different hormones require the different macronutrients, and the different hormones at the different part in the tree's development in other trees can more easier be maintained. With the coconut tree, it is continuous, so we've got to give it continuously. Now this is very difficult, or is it? There is a very simple way to look after it, and that is fertigation. Mixing the nutrients in the water, giving it through the irrigation system, and that's called fertigation. We recommend giving the coconut tree fertigation once a week. Others who cannot manage that, once a month is also okay. Now, one can go in for a high-tech product for fertigation, which even looks after the EC and the pH of the water. That's really great. Most systems, less expensive, use the venturi to drip the fertilizers into the water system. You can also resort to manual fertigation using a bucket, making a concentrate, putting it in the bucket and giving that to each tree. Our own experiments show this to be very true. We've planted 200 trees, just making a hole in the ground, putting them in and giving them fertigation once a week. We planted 1,500 trees, making a pit 3 by 3 by 3 with the proper aggregate, topsoil, compost, fertilizers, etc., sand and whatever else is needed. After 1 year, the 200 trees are about 50%, some say more, 50% larger than the other trees. Why? Because those trees got their nutrition regularly. And that is what a coconut tree needs, and that's why we recommend fertigation. Button drop, which happens because of so many factors, everyone knows them, will be reduced if we have regular fertilizers being given through fertigation, and there is no other way. Incidentally, your labor costs also come down. All the very best.